अभी अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में तकरीर के लिए मैं जमात हश्तुम के तालिब इल्म मोहम्मद शेर ज़मान, जिनका ताल्लुक़ इस्लामाबाद से है, को दावत दूंगा कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं और हाज़रीन के सामने अंग्रेज़ी ज़ुबान में गुफ्तगू करें। ब्रदर मोहम्मद शेर ज़मान।
Start in the name of Allah, who is most gracious and merciful. My honorable guests, my idealistic teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sher Zaman, student of 8th class. Today in such a nice gathering, I would just like to elaborate the topic of Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. As the poet said, रूए मुस्तफ़ा जो देखा तो दियों ने जलना सीखा, रूए मुस्तफ़ा जो देखा तो दियों ने जलना सीखा, ये करम है मुस्तफ़ा का शब गम ने ढलना सीखा। ये ज़मीं रुकी हुई थी ये फलक थमा हुआ था, ये ज़मीं रुकी हुई थी ये फलक थमा हुआ था, चले जो मेरे आका तो जहाँ ने चलना सीखा। Respected audience, the life of the Holy Prophet is a role model for every person who believes in Allah and the Day of Judgment. ما كان محمد أبا أحد من رجالكم ولكن رسول الله وخاتم النبيين وكان الله بكل شيء عليما. My dear audience, our beloved Prophet said, I leave me behind two things, the Quran and my Sunnah, and if you will follow these, you will never go astray. कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या लोह कलम तेरे हैं. My dear audience, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam go the way Allah has chosen for him, imbued with divine guidance and firm resolve. The Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam encountered all the challenges with grace and dignity. In no time he elevated man to the highest possible level in both spiritual and worldly domains. The Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also a driving force behind the Arab conquests, which have created an everlasting impression in the human history. No wonder he is universally acknowledged as the most influential figure in the history. In the words of Michael Hart, who was a non-Muslim historian, said that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, however, was responsible for both the theology of Islam and its main ethical and moral principles. My dear audience, the question of whether the Muslims who take Allah's messenger as their role model should seek justice for Palestine through resistance or surrender, compromise and accept the terms of their far more powerful. When the Muslims look up to the martyr Yahya Sinwar standing in the battlefield in combat attire and out in the open, not in a hideout facing the enemy, the spirit of resistance will be strengthened. My dear audience, in the face of the martyrdom of Ismail Hania, the words of resistance rings louder. The spirit of Palestinian people is unbroken. Hania's martyrdom is not an end, but a testament to the undying struggle for freedom. A message of Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is supremacy of humanity. A message of Siratul Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam is supremacy of humanity. Supremacy of humanity means that a man didn't cross the etiquettes in case of having positive views as today happening in Palestine. I pray that Allah will give us the courage to live in the life of our Prophet's life and will help our oppressed Muslim brothers. Thank you very much for your special attention. Wama alayna illa al-balagul mubin.